Hello and welcome to Rob and Maria Trading. I'm Rob. I've been a former internet CEO and I was a professional gambler and attorney. And Maria, my banker wife, she and I have both been trading stocks since 1985 and trading options every single day since 2020. We run several funds and you've asked us to do a 6 trades a day challenge for smaller funds. So we created a $30,000 fund on September 1st, 2025. We're trading 6 trades a day. These are multiple entry iron condors. So you're going to be doing, let's just go to our results here. I'll show them in the background. So here's our results. We're doing multiple entry iron condors. So you're going to do a put credit spread for a $1.85 premium on the short. And you're going to do a call credit spread for a $1.85 premium on the short there. You're going to do a stop loss at 95% on the shorts, both the put and the call. You're going to do 50 wide wings. And what we're going to do is we're going to put these on 6 times a day. We actually have a 7th time, which is the Gambler Special. And if you go to our website and look for the shorts with me and Maria on it, every Sunday we post what those 6 times are going to be, plus the Gambler Special is always at 15, 51, 351. But as you can see, we started with $30,000 about 79 days ago. We're up $7,200. We're down $674 today. We're still up 24% in the last 79 days, which is about 112% rate of return. If you're interested in learning how to trade, or if you want to follow along with us both in our big funds and our smaller funds, just check out the channel. It's all free. All we ask is that in the comments below that you tell us what type of videos you'd like us to see, and tell us whether or not you want Maria alone, me alone, or Rob and Maria to do the videos, and that's it. At any rate, I hope you have a great trading day. We look forward to hearing from you. We love to hear from traders.